Hey everyone, it's Rebecca from Mama Bear Custom Wreaths. If you guys follow me, and you should be following me, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on all my social media, you know that we are very, 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 very pregnant and we're due any day now, any second now. Or so we thought. Well, I guess we still are. I don't know. Nobody knows. And so you guys have been with me pretty much the whole pregnancy, the last pregnancy, which wasn't that long ago either. We're just spitting them out. And I thought, as an appreciation, you guys have just kind of been through the pregnancy with me, my tutorials, my videos, and stuff as I grow. I get private messages all the time how everything's going, well wishes, prayers for a healthy pregnancy. So I really am grateful to you guys, and I thought I can show my appreciation with a contest that has to do with the baby and my delivery, my labor date, and whoever guesses it right gets a free wreath from Mama Bear Custom Wreaths. So before I get into the rules of the contest, let me give you guys a backstory so you guys can have a better guesstimate of when this little boy will be born, because I don't know. My doctor doesn't know. My husband doesn't know. Nobody knows. I don't even know if he knows. So let me give you guys a backdrop of what's going on and when we were supposedly due, when we were going to be induced, when we might be induced, when we might not be. I mean, it's just a whole jumble of things. I went earlier today, if you caught a live on my social media, I went to a doctor appointment, what I thought was my last doctor appointment, and we got some news that it's not bad news. Everything's fine, thank God. But it's just kind of, okay, now we really don't know what's going on. So to help you guys guess the due date, or the day that he's going to be born, let me tell you what's happening. So we found out that we were expecting our fourth child. That's right, our fourth. I do have a 21-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 1-year-old. So if that helps in any way, he's our fourth. We didn't find out until almost the end of our first trimester that we were pregnant. And so it's been a kind of a short pregnancy for us. It's kind of really just been a 6-month pregnancy since that's when we found out. So my original due date, because we didn't know and they just went by the ultrasounds, is July 18th, which would be this Sunday. That's my estimated due date with the ultrasounds. And it's been consistent through all the ultrasounds. It hasn't actually changed. Okay. I've always been late delivering, about a week late usually. I've been induced the last 2 times, one because I just went too late, another time because I was having like emergency issues. So I've been induced the last 2 times. They've gone past the due date both times. And my first was a whole week late. She was born without induction. Okay. So my doctor is going on vacation for like 2-3 weeks on the 20th, which is Tuesday. And so she scheduled my induction on Monday the 19th. I'm due the 18th. I'm due to be induced the 19th. Well, here's the fun part. Here's the wild card. All these COVID babies are being born right now. We were on lockdown. We just got really romantic with our husbands. I don't know what it is, but there's like a splurge of COVID babies being born, and it's overwhelming the hospital. So what they're doing is they're not giving the moms that need to be induced preference, obviously, because it's not an emergency that we be born at that moment unless it's a medical emergency. And the moms that are delivering naturally are filling up the hospital. So there's no room for us. So there aren't enough rooms, and there just isn't enough staff for to accommodate the natural births, not the natural, but the, I guess, on their own coming, and the inductions. So she told me that she leaves on Tuesday around, noonish. So they would have to be able to see me by Monday night in order to start the induction for the baby to be born Tuesday morning before she leaves. The problem is they are waiting about 3 to 4 days to get a hospital bed. So I might not get in Monday. I'm scheduled for 5 a.m. She said, call around 2, call at 3, call at 4, make sure that they have a bed for you. They might not. And if they don't have a bed, then I wouldn't deliver with my doctor anyway. So it'd be another doctor from the practice. So we would just wait for him to come on his own. That way I for sure get a bed. So that's what's going on. Now, we most probably will not get to deliver on Monday. And we also thought, so last week when I went to the doctor, I was 2 centimeters dilated and I was about 70-80% effaced. So I moved my baby shower back. We thought we were gonna have the baby any day. She's like, this baby's coming now. Like, you are already that far effaced and blah, blah, blah. It's your 4th baby, so your body knows what to do. And he's still here. I go to the doctor today. I'm still 2 centimeters. I'm still 70 to 80% effaced. There's been no change. Not even in my weight has there been a change from last week to this week. So now she's like, well, I thought you would have had this baby by now. You haven't. I don't know what to tell you, girlfriend. So here we are. We don't know when he's going to be born or what's going on. So I thought it'd be fun for you guys to guess what day you think this baby is going to be. His name's Nicholas. We've decided on Nicholas. What day Nicholas is going to be born. And if you guess right, then I will send you a wreath as a prize. If there's more than one person that guesses the right date, then I'll just do a drawing for all the people for that date that pick the right date. And in order, the rules of the contest are here on my YouTube page, you press the subscribe button, which is, I don't know which side it's on. Follow me, subscribe to my page, and on this video, as a comment, leave the date that you think he will be born. Once he's born, I will go back to this video, and I will look at the comments made before his birth date, not the people that put it on the date. But I'll look at the comments and I'll see who guessed the right dates, and I'll pick the winner if there's only one winner from there. If there's more than one, then I'll do the drawing, and then I will announce the winner. And I'll message you, and you can give me your address, what have you, and I will ship. We'll pick what you can pick what wreath you'd like, and I'll ship it to you, and you get to win a free wreath from Mama Bear Custom Wreaths. So the rules are, again, subscribe to this video, comment on this video, or subscribe to my page. I'm sorry, subscribe to Mama Bear Custom Wreaths. I don't have a page name yet. I should hopefully get one pretty soon. But subscribe to my channel, and on this video, comment, just put the date that you think Nicholas will be born, and I will pick a winner after he's born, and then I will message you, and you can pick which wreath you'd like, and I will send it to you. So those are the rules. And let's have fun with this, and hopefully you get to win, and everything goes well with the labor and all that, and then we can have fun with this. So remember, subscribe to my page. You should subscribe anyway, because I'm putting all the tutorials. I'm going to start adding more tutorials and stuff on here. And also on my Facebook, my Instagram, my Pinterest, my TikTok. Follow me on those so you guys can see all the new stuff that I put on there and new tutorials. And I'll introduce Mr. Man himself, Mr. Nicholas, once he's born, to you guys. All right, everyone. Have a great day. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.